In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use OpenAI Codex in VS Code. In order to do that, you first need to head over and have it installed on your VS Code. First, open your Visual Studio Code, and then from in there you can click on the Ctrl-Shift-X on your keyboard, or just click on the extension icon on the sidebar. We have in here our sidebar with our search, as well as other options that we can see right here. Here is our extension, so proceed to click on this. Now you can search for extensions on your marketplace. Head over and search in here for Codex. So from in there, you should be able to find Codex right here into the actual marketplace. So here it is. Click onto this install. You can install the one from OpenAI as well as the one for the code base. So just choose in here which one you want. I'll choose in here this one since this is actually OpenAI's coding agent. Let's click on install right here. This will install this. Click on Trust Publisher and wait for this to be successfully installed. Once it's done installing, you can proceed to use it right here into your actual VS Code. Head over and click onto this icon right here in order to show up the codex and proceed to sign in with your ChatGPT in order to use it on your VS Code. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.